Pixel Art for Beginners, the 4-Minute 20-Tip Guide. Hello, and welcome to your 4-Minute 20-Tip crash course in Pixel Art Fundamentals. We'll cover tools, techniques, and common mistakes to avoid. Let's start with your workspace. Tips 1 through 9, Tools, Canvas, and Color. Here are your first 9 foundational tips. Tip 1, start small. Begin with tiny canvases like 16 by 16 or 32 by 32 pixels. Tip 2, pick good software. Use dedicated tools like Aseprite or the free browser-based Piskel. Tip 3, use power of 2 sizes. Stick to dimensions like 16 x 16 for easy scaling in game. Tip 4, draw in a background. Always use a solid, contrasting color behind your sprite. Tip 5, limit your palette. Use a small, controlled set of 4 to 8 colors for cohesion. Tip 6, learn color theory basics. Understand hue, saturation, and value to pick colors that look great together. Tip 7, define a light source. Choose a single direction for your light, like the top left. Tip 8, avoid pillow shading. Don't shade by just darkening all edges. Use your defined light source. Tip 9, use transparency and dithering judiciously. Save the checkerboard pattern or the dithering only for subtle transitions or fog effects. Tips 10 through 16, line work and pixel placement. Now for the essential techniques of drawing and placing your pixels. Tip 10, master the outline. Use a clear, single pixel wide outline to define your object's shape. Tip 11, focus on silhouette. Your sprite must be instantly recognizable even as a solid black shape. Tip 12, avoid jaggies. Manually adjust uneven or messy stair-stepped lines to make curves smooth. Tip 13, be mindful of doubles. Avoid using 2 pixels side by side on diagonals. It makes your lines look thick. Tip 14, cluster pixels. Group colors and shades into solid blocks or regions, not scattered noise. Tip 15, eliminate orphan pixels. Delete or connect any single isolated stray pixels of a color. Tip 16, simplify detail. You don't have enough pixels for realism. Exaggerate and emphasize key features. Tips 17 through 20, practice and improvement. Finally, here are the tips to keep you improving. Tip 17, study reference art. Look at high quality pixel art from classic games for inspiration and techniques. Tip 18, practice your basic forms. Start by mastering objects like cubes and spheres before characters or complex objects. Tip 19, zoom out regularly. Use the 100% preview to see your work at its true final size often. Tip 20, practice consistently. This is the most important tip. The best way to improve is to simply keep drawing. Pixel art is all about intentionality. Every single pixel matters. Use these 20 tips as your guide and enjoy the process. Good luck!